If all the bloodshed at thy tron, Edinburgh, Edinburgh, if all the bloodshed at thy tron were shed in terror, 'twould call the mills o' Bonington, Edinburgh, Edinburgh, 'twould call the mills o' Bonington, forever and forever. If all the tears that thou hast cried, Edinburgh, Edinburgh, if all the tears that thou hast cried were shed in Tavesey, where would ye find an Ararat? Edinburgh, Edinburgh, where would ye find an Ararat? Pray that self-blood take leave. If all the psalms sung in thy kirks, Edinburgh, Edinburgh, if all the psalms sung in thy kirks were given in the wine, 'twould show the tops o' Roslin's burks, Edinburgh, Edinburgh, 'twould show the tops o' Roslin's burks, till time were out o' mine. If all the broken hearts o' thee, Edinburgh, Edinburgh, if all the broken hearts o' thee were heaped in a howe, there would be neither land nor sea, Edinburgh, Edinburgh, there would be neither land nor sea, but yon reed